Okay, so if you think back to the ed puzzle that we did at the beginning, it not only talked about origami traditionally, but it also talked about modular origami. So that's what we're going to be doing today in the next couple days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a module, and then I'll give you a little bit more instructions on what that really means. Okay, so you're going to fold what I fold. Again, I'm using different colored paper so you can see it a little bit better. This one's a pink one. I haven't used that yet. Okay. So first off, you want to make sure you fold it as precise as you can. Okay. So I'm folding it just directly in half. I'm going to open this up like so. And if you want to back fold it, you can, so you can see that crease really nicely. You can do that. That's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this up here from the bottom straight up to that center line like so. Okay. And then I'm going to do this one as well to the center line. Okay. Now I've got these four sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to go down here to the bottom corner. And what I did was I took this edge and I lined it up with that line, just like this. Now I'm going to take this edge and line it up with that same line. Okay, so just like this. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to do the same thing down here. Okay. Like that. And then one more time. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to fold this up here like so, and I'm going to fold this down like so. I'm going to take this edge, go up here, like this. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and go right here. Okay. So you can see here to here. All right. So now you've got these little pockets. So I'm going to tuck this into here. Okay. Like that. And then this is going to go in here. All right. You can see how it all fits together. Now I'm going to flip this over, and this is going to go right up here. Like that. And then this is going to go right up here. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and go break its back. Just like that. Now this is one module. Okay, this is called a Sonobe. All right, and for this particular build, you're going to need this times 6. All right, so I did this in different colors so it would be easier to see. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's all 6 of them. All right, and these are all going to fit together like a puzzle. It's going to be a cube. All right, so this is going to be a modular origami piece. It's a cube. All right, so we're going to use these pockets right here and right here, okay, with these points. All right, so watch what I do. I've got 1, 2 pieces. 3 pieces will make a corner of our cube. Okay, so I'm going to slide this in here this way, and it's going to lock right in there. Okay, and this point is going to lock right in there. All right, so that's one corner of my cube. All right, 1, 2, 3 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go right up here. Let's go to this corner. Okay, right over here. So I'm going to take another piece of paper, like so. Okay, so we've got one going in there. We're going to put another one right here. So I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to slide that one in, like so. Okay, and look at that. We've got another corner. It's starting to look like a cube. Okay. All right, now I'm going to take this orange one, and you can see how if you just kind of manipulate the paper, you can make it go into that cube shape. Okay, so I'm going to take this over the top, like so. Okay, and let's see here. Again, if you just manipulate it to where you want it to go, you can see, okay, well, this one needs to go in here. That makes sense. And what we're missing is one piece of paper. All right, so we got to find the empty spots where it's going to go. So it's going to tuck in here, and it's going to tuck in here. All right, and that's going to be our last piece, like this. So you can see how that point goes in there. This point goes in here. Okay. This point, the yellow one, is going to tuck right in here to pink. Okay. And then the pink one right in there to the orange. And there we have our Sonobe Cube with 6 pieces. Okay. There you go. Good luck. Slow it down if you need to. Okay. And just remember, all the points go into those little pockets. That's it.